But our goal here is communications, and it's communications to other people. So the first thing that will drive a reader away is when you let your brain fill in the blanks. So you don't have to read this whole thing. Just read the first, I don't know, couple of lines or something like that. And the bottom, if you'll see, if you actually jump to the bottom, it says, amazing, I always thought spelling was important. You can understand it even though virtually every word in this is misspelled. If you dig into this supposed study at Cambridge University, which actually never happened, you will see that it says that it's really only the first letter and the last letter that's important because your brain fills in the rest. You need to stop your brain from filling in the rest. So take a little test. Don't write anything anywhere. Just write down for yourself. Don't tweet out. But count the number of the letters F in this sentence.
Or you can type those in the Q&A pod and only I will see them. So you don't have to share with the class. We want to know how many F's you see.
That's a very good idea.
All right. Somebody said 10. Let's see.
Wait, don't tell me. Don't tell me. I'm sorry.
Shh, we don't know whether that's right or not.
It's a secret.
Okay. All right, so we've gotten some submissions.
Excellent. All right, so I'm going to move on.
Reading them in my head only. I'm not going to tell you.
Here is the same sentence. Count the number of times you see the letter F.
All right,
okay, we have some answers?
We have some people are giving us their answers. Yes.
Excellent.
And I'm not supposed to share them with you.
Don't share them with me.
Not? Okay.
Yeah, and you can share them with yourself, and you can share them with your colleagues.
All right.
One more time. How many times do you see the letter F in the sentence?
And we'll both do dun, 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 dun.
I do that a lot because if you do it right, it's exactly 30 seconds. And if my trainer is telling me I have to hold that plank for 30 seconds, I can't wait for it to be over because she's going to be in Final Jeopardy. All right, so how many of you got different numbers each time or even once? And I'd be willing to bet it's quite a lot of people that got different numbers each time they counted. The right answer is 11. But what happens is sometimes people will skip over the little words. Like, I'll bet if you got fewer than 11 or less than 11, I'm not absolutely,
We're not going to start a fight over that one today.
Not at all. They will realize that they have forgotten the F in if or of, or if they've forgotten one of the F's in the off from. It's because your brain is so excited at getting ahead, it just wants to move on. You have to stop it from doing that.